Before you start using AAM, it is advised to fine-tune it to meet your specific needs. You can do so by going to the Settings tab. Here, you may notice several sub-tabs, and the list of them may vary depending on what AAM add-ons you have installed. Let's focus on the Services tab first. It contains the list of all the services that AAM has. By default, they all are enabled. However, it is advised to disable services that you are not planning to use. For example, if you don't need to manage access to your RESTful API endpoints, you can simply disable this service. And you can do the same with any other service that are not needed for your specific needs. This may help to improve your website performance because AAM does not have to load functionality that you are not planning to use. I would like to emphasize that AAM is highly optimized to work with large-scale websites, and it is faster than 99% of all other WordPress plugins in their official repository. Other tabs like Core Settings, Content Settings, GEO-lookup settings, or Security settings contain various settings to further fine-tune how AAM plugin behaves. The ConfigPress tab is a very special tab, and there's a separate video explaining how ConfigPress works, but essentially it's a place where you can fine-tune very specific features of AAM with INI-based configurations. The Export-Import button allows you to export or import AAM settings. It is a very handy feature if you would like to define very specific access controls and replicate them on other websites. Sometimes we even ask you to export AAM settings if you contact us via support channel. And this is the place where you can do so. The Reset AAM settings allows you to reset AAM to its default.